Alright, so what's up everybody? Bubba's Gaming Club back in Gorilla Tag. I just got a new headset because my other one wasn't working, and this is gonna be a water running tutorial. Yeah. So how you're gonna do it is, if you first started up the game, like firstly right now. Wait a second, let me just unmute this kid. If you just start the game up and coming to beat map and you didn't turn anything on, you can just press go down to turn and then go to here and then put this to 1 right here, and so you're gonna turn 45 degrees. So say right here, you're gonna turn with that with your joystick, and then when you do that, you're gonna come here, press option 3, and then what you're gonna do is you come here. Sorry, I'm doing a YouTube video, sir. So you put your hands like this, and then you just go like this. It's in a pattern, so it's 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it should look like this. You go like this on the water, and you don't have to go fast, you don't have to go slow, but you can go fast or slow. See, if you go fast like this, you're probably not gonna do it. But if you go slow, you probably have more control. My game just lagged so much. And then I go in medium speed, and I go. By the way, I don't edit my videos. No editing. Plus, I don't have a computer. I think I can edit. So, wow. My friend wants to do a YouTube video with me. Tell her the code. Here. Nicola,